welcome back to my channel Moon's Vanity. My name is Moon. In today's video I have come up with a new makeup look. So this is a Ashtami special makeup look for the upcoming Durga Puja. I tried to create this look in a traditional Bengali way. So I'm already wearing my Shakha Pola and Sindoor Bindi, and also I'm wearing a red Jamdani sari, and along with that I have paired some of my gold jewelries with the sari. So do let me know in the comment section how you like this look. So if you're interested and want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. Let's start with the eyebrows. For that I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pomade and a Faces Canada eyebrow brush to apply the pomade. Next I'm going to use the PAC Studio Derma Concealer in the shade B64 with a flat brush. This is just to define my eyebrows, and also I'm using the concealer on my eyelid, and then I'm going to blend it with my fingers. Applying the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder to set my concealer with a PAC concealer brush. Next comes the eyeshadow. For that I am using the Wet n Wild eyeshadow and taking a burnt orange shade from there, and with a flat brush I am just applying it on my crease area. From the same palette, I am applying a soft transition shade with a Pro Arte Fluffy blending brush just to blend out two colors together. Taking a deeper shade from the same eyeshadow palette and just applying it to the outer corner of my eye with a flat brush. Now blending everything together with a small blending brush. Here I am trying to do a half cut crease eyeshadow look. So for that I am using the PAC Studio Derma Concealer and applying the concealer just half of my eyelid area with a flat brush. After cutting my crease, I am applying a shimmery golden shade from the same palette on my cut crease area. Then again blending it with a flat brush. Next applying Nicka K liquid eyeshadow just top of my shimmery gold shadow. With a Color Bar liquid eyeliner, I am drawing a very thin line close to my upper lash line. Using Wet n Wild highlighter palette just to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner of the eyes. For mascara, I am going with the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. Off camera I have done my other eye and also applied some falsies. Next come to the face makeup. For that I am applying the Biotic moisturizer all over my face. For concealer I am using the L'Oreal concealer and blending it with my beauty sponge. For foundation, I am going with the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation and I am in the shade 02, and then blending it with a beauty sponge. This is a very dewy kind of foundation, and don't ever forget your neck. To highlight certain areas of my face, I am applying the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and this is in the shade Fair. Then I'm going to blend it with a beauty blender. All the product details will be in the description box, so do check out the description box. To set my concealer, I am applying the L'Oreal Infallible Compact Powder. Next, I am going to apply the contour from the L'Oreal Infallible Contour Powder with a PAC 305 contouring brush. For blush, I am going with the Lakme Absolute Blush and just applying it on the apple of my cheeks. Now I am applying the same eyeshadow colors from the palette and applying it on my lower lash line to create a smoky kind of effect. After that, I am going to apply some kajal and going to smudge it with the pencil brush. Again, I am applying the mascara to the lower lash line. Next, I am going to use the Wet n Wild highlighter palette and I am going to use it with a fan brush to all the high points of my face, including the cheekbones, bridge of my nose, cupid bow. Again, I am going to use the L'Oreal contouring palette to contour my nose using a flat contouring brush. Next, I am applying a lip liner from Miss Claire. This is in the shade Red. For lipstick, I am going with the Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick and this is in the shade Drop Dead Red. It's a beautiful red color. I think it will go for bridal makeup also. After that, I am going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray to set my makeup. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'll be coming up with more makeup, beauty, fashion related videos super soon. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye bye. Love you.